बाल्को अधिकारियों की नेतृत्व क्षमता बढ़ाने के लिए बाल्को प्रबंधन ने कार्यशाला आयोजित की। इसमें प्रतिभागियों को मानव संसाधन और समय के उत्कृष्ट प्रबंधन, समस्याओं को पहचानकर उचित निर्णय लेने और लक्ष्य निर्धारित कर उसे पाने के गुर सिखाए गए। कार्यशाला का संचालन एक्सेल आरआई जमशेदपुर के विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर ISF इरुदयाराज ने किया।
बाल्को लर्निंग सेंटर में हार्निंग लीडरशिप स्किल नामक कार्यशाला का उद्घाटन बाल्को अध्यक्ष श्री प्रमोद सूरी ने किया। इस मौके पर बाल्को के तकनीकी निदेशक श्री राजू धमेजा और संयंत्र 2 के मानव संसाधन महाप्रबंधक डॉक्टर शैलेंद्र सिंह भी मौजूद थे। अतिथियों का स्वागत प्रतिभागियों ने पुष्पगुच्छों से किया। कार्यक्रम के उद्घाटन अवसर पर बाल्को अध्यक्ष श्री प्रमोद सूरी ने कहा कि हार्निंग लीडरशिप स्किल नामक कार्यशाला का उद्देश्य प्रतिभागियों की विशेषज्ञता में बढ़ोतरी करना है।
The program is about leadership skills, or the topic is honing leadership skills. Now, each one of us has got these things inside. And people say, is leadership an art or is it a science? Some amount of leadership is there in every individual. But what you require is the environment, the opportunity to tap out that leadership style and further to develop those skills based on the knowledge or experience of the learned people in that area, or looking at the circumstances and the business environment. These skills can always be sharpened, can always be updated from time to time. I'm sure each one of you have proved their technical competence and your expertise in your respective fields. There are 26 participants are here. And each one of you is I would say, expert in his own area. And there's a very reason that you have been nominated by the management that, yes, you should be now further groomed, further developed to be the future leaders or the future creators of this company. What we are looking at is, we must develop at least 100 good managers from Balco in next 2 years' time. And those 100 managers will go all around the group and take very senior responsibilities. So our target is to groom and develop minimum 100 managers from Balco, which will be hardly 10% of our total executive strength. And I think that is a very low target to begin with. I'm sure we will be able to bypass this target, but right now we are focusing on picking up 100 best managers, 100 future leaders of Balco, which we can give it to Vedanta Group. That is going to be our motto or our mission during next 2 years. And I'm sure all of you also will be part of it.
बाल्को के तकनीकी निदेशक श्री राजू धमेजा ने नेतृत्व कौशल के विकास के लिए कार्यशाला को महत्वपूर्ण बताया।
I think it's a really unique opportunity that we have a trainer of this caliber come down here and give training in such an important aspect of our industrial and business life to this group. As I say, it's fairly straightforward to find a technical solution to a problem and so forth, as well as to modify, improve something. But then, at the end of the day, the success of the organization as a whole depends on how it moves from A to B, and the success depends on how you improve your turnover, your quality, all the performance criteria, and improve it faster, cheaper, and better than your competition, than your marketplace.
संयंत्र 2 के मानव संसाधन महाप्रबंधक डॉक्टर शैलेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि वेदांत समूह बहुत तेजी से तरक्की कर रहा है। कंपनी की निरंतर प्रगति के लिए अधिकारियों के प्रबंधन कौशल में वृद्धि अत्यंत आवश्यक है।
There is one topic in this 2 days program that is leadership and conflict management skills. This is very important topic, and I request all of you to concentrate on this, because in today's fast growing organizations we have to manage a lot of conflict. either with your juniors or your colleagues or with your seniors. I request to take full advantage of this opportunity. This do this program over here and make use of it in your working life. Thank you very much.
2 दिवसीय कार्यशाला का संचालन XLRI जमशेदपुर के विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर ISF इरुदयाराज ने किया। उन्होंने बाल्को अधिकारियों को समय और मानव संसाधन के समुचित उपयोग और लक्ष्य निर्धारित कर उसे प्राप्त करने के गुण सिखाए। कार्यशाला के समापन पर प्रतिभागियों ने बताया कि उन्हें व्यवस्थित कार्यप्रणाली और प्रबंधन से संबंधित महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियां मिली। अधिकारियों ने कहा कि कार्यशाला उनके कैरियर के विकास में अहम भूमिका निभाएगी।
But the leader concepts, the different type of leadership, which leadership can have a positive and which has a negative. Like we had a visionary leadership, charismatic leadership. So I told him, Mr. Raj gave an example of Mother Teresa. When she came out of died and another person was there to take over the place, what type of problem another person has to face. So this type of things in the leadership, and then how we have to implement it and how we should take the different values of leadership. That is very important which we got in this class.
कार्यशाला के समापन पर बाल्को के तकनीकी निदेशक श्री राजू धमेजा ने XLRI जमशेदपुर के विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर ISF इरुदयाराज को स्मृति चिन्ह भेंट कर सम्मानित किया। कार्यक्रम का संचालन बाल्को के मानव संसाधन सह महाप्रबंधक श्री SK उपाध्याय ने किया।